Let me show you how to forward voice messages on Instagram. You can both forward those voice messages, but you can also save them. I'll show you a trick to do it. Now, just open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and you need to get to that message. So tap on the message icon at the bottom center, or it might be at the top right. And now within here, let's open up a conversation. You can see I sent this voice message to Haley, but you might have received a voice message from someone else. Now you can always forward this to somebody by tapping on it once and then tapping and holding on it and hitting forward. You can see just like that, I can forward it to anyone else. In this case, I can forward it to myself so that I have a copy of it. You can see sending it to Trevor. And then now you can see sent as a voice message. I can open it up and there is that voice message that I have forwarded to myself or to anyone else. Again, you can tap and hold on it, and you can always choose to, again, forward it. You can delete it, pin it, etc.